figure below shows a link mechanism. Plot the locus of the midpoint P of the connecting rod JM for one revolution of the crank OJ. Looking at the 3D module of this link, we have the OJ, and then this is the connecting rod JM, and then this is the slider. O and K are fixed points. Then when the crank moves about the point O for one revolution, points P form a kind of oval within this area. This oval shape is what the examiner needs you to construct, right? So let's begin. First, we are going to construct the mechanism. Using OJ as the radius of the circle, construct your circle. Extend your diameter and divide your circle into 12 equal parts. Check the video up here if you don't know how to divide a circle into 12 equal parts. From the diagram, this is J. The length of the slider KN is equal to 40. Then to get the position M, take a distance 70 from J. P is at the midpoint of JM. Now trace the points from P